right, everyone, today our learning target was I can find the percent of a number. And we talked about how of is a keyword when we are solving word problems, which means multiplication. So we learned 3 different strategies today on how to find a percent of a number by using our crossword worksheet. So I'm going to go through one example of each so that we can review how to use those skills. So on this first page, excuse me, we use the skill of turning our percent into a decimal and then multiplying those two numbers together. So yesterday we learned the percent function on our calculator. We are not using that for this strategy, even though we are going to use our calculator to help us multiply our decimal and whole number. So I'm going to do one of the ones that we didn't do in class. I'm going to go ahead and go down to number 5. 80% of 60. Now we talked about in Unit 1 how to change a percent into a decimal. We talked about how 80 is a whole number, and so our invisible decimal is right here. To turn a percent into a decimal, we move our decimal 2 places to the left. That's sort of the same thing as dividing by 100. So if we move it 2 places to the left, 80% becomes 0.80 or 0.8. Now of is an indicator of multiplication, so we don't use x anymore unless we're multiplying fractions together. We don't use x anymore for multiplication, so we are using a dot and then 60. What is 8/10 or 80 hundredths times 60? So this is where you can get your calculator, and we're going to type in, I'm going to type in 0.8, which is the same thing as 0.80 or 0.80 times 60. And our answer is 48. And that's the first strategy that we practiced today. I'm going to go ahead and tape my second and third strategies in different videos so that my videos upload a little faster. So go ahead and click on the next videos if you want to review the other 2 strategies that we learned today.